The Princess Margaret Hospital was officially opened on February 23, 1955. The Princess Margaret Hospital replaced the Morant Bay Hospital, which was badly damaged by Hurricane Charley on August 17, 1951. After the hurricane, the Morant Bay Baptist Church became the temporary hospital for a few months until repairs were made to the original hospital. The new hospital opened with 183 beds, but Hurricane Gilbert's passage reduced bed capacity to approximately 112 beds. The bed capacity was later increased to 122 beds. Today, this hospital is the only hospital in the parish of St. Thomas and serves a population of approximately 120,000 people. The current problem at this hospital, as of this posting, is that it is not equipped with some of the latest medical machines, so patients have to take the long and expensive journey to Kingston or elsewhere to obtain medical treatment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.